G'day folks, Q-Man here. Now, I never do an unboxing video. I don't think I've ever done one. But I'm doing one today. Why? Because I've wanted to step up my YouTube game for a while now. And as you know, I've used GoPros and I've used the Polaroid Q. Anything that I can use to make my mobile YouTube filming a more pleasurable experience, not only for me but for you, the viewer. And I've realised that my audio has always been kind of suspect. You know, the wind, background noise, things like that. But a friend of mine recently put me onto this. This is the Rode VideoMic ME, and it's a directional mic that you use for your iPhone, smartphone, or iPad or tablet, and it's pretty inexpensive. It's only $80, and I thought we would give it a test drive here in this video. So, unboxing time. I'm glad I've got nails, because this is... Okay, let's press stop for a second. Now that's a knife. I've always wanted to say that in a movie. Gee whiz, this is a knife. Okay. Gee whiz. Oh, just scratched my table. Okay. I'm just gonna ruin the box. Why? 'Cause I can. Ha-ha! I opened the box. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, fluffy things. Okay, so I don't know what that does. Here's the microphone. Looks like that. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? And then we get this little thing here. I'm horrible at opening these little bags. I would never have been a good drug dealer. You know what? We're going to press stop and we're going to get help with this. Okay, so here we've got the base bit here in the front, and this is going to go into the headphone jack, and then what you can do is you can plug your headphones to get your own audio levels in here. So I'm going to get my camera guy Stuart here to plug it in the iPhone, and then we're going to do a test with the microphone in it, and we can tell the sound difference. Righto. Now hopefully this audio is a lot clearer, it's a lot better, it's a lot smoother. When you're out in the wind outside, they've given you this nice mic sock that can go in. It's padded and stuff, and it just clips into the housing of the microphone, and it's pretty cool. So hopefully from now on my audio will be a lot better on the future videos, and we'll have a lot more fun coming up. Okay, please subscribe, and like this video if you liked it, or not. Yeah. See ya.